Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. If you are using Internet Download Manager on Windows, there is a new build you should know about. IDM has reached version 6.43 build 9. But what exactly is new and are there any useful changes you should know about? Let's take a quick look. First, this is primarily a maintenance and compatibility update rather than a major, redesign. The 6.43 series introduced improvements to video downloading, including support for downloading MP4 versions of videos from websites where previously only TS streams were available. And if you prefer MP4 and don't want TS option cluttering your download video panel, IDM also gives you a way to customize the format shown. Let me show you how. First, open Download Manager from your tray icon like this. From the main IDM window, click Options. Now make sure you are on the General tab. Look for the section related to IDM download panels in browser here. Depending on your IDM build and interface, you will find the controls for customizing the download panel here. Open the customization option like this and now look for the video formats. If you see both MP4 and TS, you can disable the TS option and keep only MP4 as enabled. Once you have made the changes, click OK and then apply to save the settings. Now you can open a website containing a supported video and start playing the video. When IDM detects it, click download this video button and the video download panel should now be focused on the formats you have selected such as MP4 instead of showing TS as the format. So this can be useful if you normally download videos in MP4 and don't want to manually choose between multiple stream formats every time. Other improvements in the 6.43 series include they have been focusing heavily on compatibility. Previous build addressed problems involving 403 forbidden errors, issues with TS to MP4 conversion, and situations where the IDM download panel doesn't appear correctly on some websites. There were also fixes for problems involving Windows Explorer as well as compatibility improvements related to proxies and VPN connections. So don't expect build 9 to completely change the IDM interface as I said already. So instead the focus is on making IDM work more reliably with modern websites, browsers and video streams. So should you update? If you are already using IDM 6.43 build 9, it's essentially a maintenance update. So keeping your installation updated makes sense. And if you are recently experiencing problems such as IDM download button disappearing, video downloads failing or compatibility issues with certain websites, updating is definitely worth trying. One more thing to remember, IDM's browser integration is important for video detection. So if the download this video button doesn't appear after updating IDM, make sure the IDM integration module extension is enabled and up to date in your browser. And as always, download the IDM updates from the official download manager website rather than from third party, download sites. So that's a quick look at Internet Download Manager 6.43 build 9 and the useful video format customization available in the 6.43 series. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips, software updates and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.